let me do something else. He came up with a very clever plan. He said, let me choose peace. So when you fight, they don't just kill people, they ask them to stop fighting. But they agreed to terms. We won't kill you if you do this. So for a long time, the Marathas put up a brave resistance. Brave resistance means they put up a brave fight. They prevented the Mughal soldiers from coming in. But slowly Shivaji realized that it was wiser. He could have fought and fought, but ultimately, maybe even he would have died. So he said, let me stop fighting. Let me ask for peace. So what did he have to do? Aurangzeb said, we will kill you, we will kill all of you. If otherwise, you give me all your forts. Give me all your forts and serve the Mughal Empire. So Aurangzeb was not there. His commanders were there. They would have told Shivaji, we will kill all of you. We will take away by force. If you want to stay alive, sign for peace, ask for peace, but you'll have to give us all your forts and you'll have to support the Mughal Empire. Support means you have to work under Aurangzeb. You must accept Aurangzeb as your emperor. He also asked to visit Aurangzeb's royal court in Agra. And the commanders would have told him, you must also go to Agra. Who was there in Agra? Aurangzeb. They worked from Delhi and Agra. Agra has a fort. There's a red fort in Agra. What else is there in Agra? The Taj Mahal is in Agra. There is a huge gate called Buland Darwaza. If you have gone to Agra and visited, you will know all these places. So question for you is, do you think Shivaji should take a risk and visit the Mughal emperor in Agra? What does the emperor say? What does Aurangzeb tell Shivaji? Give up all your forts. Serve me, accept me. I am your king. I am your emperor. And also he wanted Shivaji to go from the Deccan and from Pune, you must go to Agra. Come and see me. Shivaji might have said, no, he will not go. He might have disagreed. But Aurangzeb is an emperor. He could have killed him or he could have put him in prison. I don't think Shivaji had a choice, right? Shivaji had no choice. He had to go. Shivaji hesitated to pay respect to the Mughal emperor. So when when the Mughal emperor calls a king like Shivaji to the court, he will not treat him like a king. You have to be very great to treat another king like a king. If you have captured a king, you will treat him like, you want to treat him like he is like a common man. Aurangzeb wanted Shivaji to go and maybe to bow before him in the court. Shivaji hesitated to visit and pay respect to the Mughal emperor. But Raja Jai Singh persuaded him to meet Aurangzeb. Who was Raja Jai Singh? Do you remember? The commander. Whose commander? Aurangzeb's commander. Raja Jai Singh of Jaipur. So Raja Jai Singh of Jaipur persuaded him. Persuaded means stopped him, told him, no, you come. We will take care of you. And assured his personal safety while attending the court. So what did Raja Jai Singh? Why is he called Raja? Because he was the Raja of Jaipur and he was Aurangzeb's commander. So Shivaji did not want to go. He said, yeah, I know what he will do. When I go there, he will kill me. But Raja Jai Singh said, no, you come. Persuaded him, talked to him, told him, no, you come, and assured him, I will take care of you. I will make sure nothing happens to you. And he assured his personal safety while attending the court. Assured his personal safety means he told him, you will be safe. Shivaji went to Agra with his 9-year-old son, Sambhaji, and a band of 4,000 followers. So Shivaji went with his army. And he also went with his son. 9-year-old, your age. Are you 9? He was your age. Some of you could be 9, some of you could be 10. He took his son with him because he didn't want to leave his son behind because it was not safe. At the royal darbar, what is the royal darbar? Darbar means court. Aurangzeb was cold towards Shivaji. Cold means did not treat him properly. Shivaji is a king. So when a king comes into your court, even if he is your enemy or you have defeated him, you have to treat him well. You have to get him to sit. But he was cold. He did not treat him bad. He treated him very badly, did not even look at him. And he looked at him with contempt. Contempt. Contempt means, let's look at the words. Capable, efficient. Let's look at some of the words we have come across till now. Capable, efficient. Who was capable? The commanders were capable. Which commanders? Diler Khan and what is the other one's name? I've forgotten. Let's look. Raja Jai Singh. Persuaded, urged, influenced, cold, not friendly. Slaughtered, killed brutally, assured, gave them the confidence. Contempt, showing disrespect. So at the royal darbar, Aurangzeb was not at all friendly. He looked at him like that. He did not treat him with respect. Shivaji was made to stand behind the military commanders of the court. He was made to stand. He was a king. He was a great king who inflicted so many defeats on Aurangzeb. The Maratha warrior took offense and stormed out of the court. The Maratha warrior. Who was the Maratha warrior? Shivaji got very angry and he just walked out of the court. He was insulted. He said, "You're a king, I'm a king. You should at least make me sit." He made him